Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Today I'm going to show you how to tint your taillights. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to put up some pictures on screen of my Fusion and my friends' cars, and just to give you an idea, like to inspire you on what you can do with your taillights, like different shades and styles and all that. So, let's get started. Hey, almost forgot one important thing, the tint itself. Where you can get it is at Walmart, or if you have a Meijer near you, or even Amazon. They cost around $5 to $10 depending on the shade, tint, brand. I got this one from Walmart for $5 I think, and then I got this red one that I got from Meijer that was around $10. So I definitely check Amazon though, because it might be cheaper than Target and Walmart. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the video. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Let me know down below what you think of everything and what you're gonna do to your taillights. Thanks and have a great day.